Dear viewers, welcome to BRG News once again. Several times we have heard of the phrase, when there is a will, there is a way. But today we are seeing live example of it. Daughter of Andhra Pradesh cab driver cracks IIT and made it to IIT Patna.
Success stories where the underdog or least likely person defies the odds to do well have their own appeal and charm. K. Swati's tale is no exception to this rule. She has made it to IIT Patna and made her parents and teachers proud by being the first to do so from her school. Swati's father is a cab driver in Andhra. Her struggle has been hard and the journey so far has not been a smooth one. Her father Ramu initially worked as a construction worker and despite the hardship did not compromise on his children's education. Soon he started driving an auto. Then he shifted to Madhuravada and Kanchara Palam and started driving a cab. It was at that time Swati was admitted into class 6th of Chandrapalam Zilla Parishad High School. Her exceptional talent was spotted there. Swati graded 10 by 10 in class 10th and IIT was her focus. Raja Babu, her headmaster, encouraged her. T.S.R. Prasad, the school correspondent, also contributed Rs 25,000 for her education. Swati lived up to our expectations, whether it was in school or in college, said Raja Babu.
Vidya Balan's short film Natkhat was the opening film at Indian Film Festival of Melbourne in October. Now it has been revealed that Natkhat qualifies for Oscar nominations.
Vidya Balan's short film Natkhat was the opening film at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne in October. Recently, she revealed that her film has won at a major film festival. Winning this has made the film eligible to be nominated at the Oscars. Natkhat short film starring Vidya Balan and also co-produced by her has won a top prize at India's Short Film Festival 2020, making it eligible to get nominated at the Oscars. The film is amongst the 5 finalists at Shorts TV's Best of India Short Film Festival 2020, along with other films like Trapped, Soundproof, Safar and Shameless. Natkhat also won a huge cash prize of $2,500, which is approximately Rs 1,85,497. The Natkhat cast includes Vidya playing Sonu's mom, Sanika Patel playing the lead role of Sonu, Raj Arjun as Sonu's father, Atul Tiwari and Nivedita Bothial. It is directed by Shan Vyas and written by Shan and Anukampa Harsh. Along with Vidya, the film is co-produced by Roni Screwvala. The plot revolves around Sonu and his mother, wherein she educates her son about gender equality and calls out toxic misogyny.
Gitanjali Radhakrishnan has developed AI-driven diagnostic tool called Illuminate. It helps people with skin diseases and to get proper health care at the right time.
India might be ahead in a variety of fields, but healthcare isn't one of them. While the image of healthcare in urban cities and metros seem like they are well equipped, it's quite the opposite in a rural village. Not only these regions don't have enough doctors, nurses, etc., but financial and infrastructural challenges push the progress further south. One bioengineer hailing from a similar area where decent healthcare was nearly 100 kilometers away, however, she decided to use her knowledge to develop a novel solution to help bridge this massive gap. Meet Gitanjali Radhakrishnan, who has developed an AI-driven diagnostic tool called Illuminate to help people with skin diseases get proper health care at the right time before conditions worsen. She and her invention is one of the finalists in Qualcomm Design in India Challenge 2020. Gitanjali revealed how she has experienced the lack of proper healthcare in the village she grew up in. Growing up in the hills of the Western Ghats, the nearest multi-speciality hospital was 100 kilometers away.
Before going any further, let's take a break. Welcome back once again after the break. NASA revealed that over 300 million planets in galaxy could have life.
Whenever we look to space, we have so many questions in our mind. And one of them is whether other life forms exist in vast, never ending space. We have seen several claims of extraterrestrial encounters, and while some are hard to believe, some are also hard to not believe in. And now, according to new research, there could be at least 300 million potentially habitable planets in our galaxy. The new study published in the Astronomical Journal claims that over half of all sun-like stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way, could have a habitable planet in its orbit. The figure of 300 million is a rough figure, and according to NASA, there could be more. The study was a collaboration between scientists and NASA who have worked on the Kepler mission as well as researchers from numerous international agencies. In order to get this rough estimate, NASA looked for stars like our Sun in terms of age and temperature and then looked for exoplanets similar to Earth's size. They also saw how far or close a planet was from this Sun in order to find one in the Goldilocks zone that could support liquid water on its surface.
On the occasion of Uttarakhand 21st State Formation Day on November 9, Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat distributed online ration cards under One Nation, One Ration Card scheme.
On the occasion of Uttarakhand's 21st State Formation Day on November 9, Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat distributed digital ration cards under the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme in the summer capital, Bharari Sen. The ration cards allotted in this scheme allows the cardholder or beneficiary to take ration from any public distribution system shop in the state. The Uttarakhand Chief Minister offered prayers at a temple in Bharari Sen for the peace and prosperity of the state. Rawat also announced several schemes for the people across the state. Uttarakhand CM Trivendra Singh Rawat announced the allotment of a total of 25,000 crores for town planning and development in Bharari Sen that will be spent on the town's planned development over the next 10 years. Announcing an array of measures for the summer capital, the Uttarakhand Chief Minister informed that under the Gair Sen Skill Development Scheme, a Centre of Excellence will be established along with a mushroom compost production unit. Speaking about the development of the education sector, he stated that the government inter-college in Gair Sen will get 2 new modern labs while adding that a committee headed by the Chief Secretary will oversee the project. Rawat also spoke about the several projects that have been sanctioned for the construction of internal roads and the drains in the hill town.
That's all for today's news. We at BRG News Team assures to keep you updated. Till then, stay safe.